What's going on YouTube? Mad Machinist here. I thought I'd try something a little different today. Meet the triplets. These are 3 gearboxes, identical, that we just finished. And I thought I'd give you guys a little up close and personal with them. They're coming in at about 8,000 pounds each. They're about 60 by 60 by 60, let's say, inches. Take a little look and then we'll get into them. So what I think these are for, I think these are for the steel mill industry because they look a lot like a mandrel gearbox. And what I mean by a mandrel, if you guys don't know, take you know the coils of steel you see on the road, the large coils? Well, those get coiled onto a drum, and that's what the steel gets coiled onto a drum. A drum then shoots it off once it's reached its max. So imagine a big shaft coming out of here, and on top is the pusher. So that'll have, say, a mount with 2 rods, and imagine just a mechanism pushing off the coil of steel. So this will get, as I said, this will get a large shaft, probably out to about here. And this will sit and coil steel and make the drums. And then the top, once it's reached its max, will push it off. That's what I think they are, because they look very, they look like that. I may be wrong, but get inside for you. Check this out. This was fun. 2 blind bores. And the one was about 19.5 inches deep inside. So that was fun. And we were absolutely not allowed to break through. So if you see each one, get inside each one. Little chatter there. That's okay, that's clearance. But yeah, give you a little all around up close. And I'll be honest, these turned out mint. These brass bushings, we shrunk in with liquid nitrogen. Get a little inside look. Pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And everybody have a nice day. Like and subscribe. Mad Machinist. Thank you.